Hey guys. I don't think I've talked about this, but what indicators do I actually use in my charts? And so sorry to burst your bubble, but I actually don't use any indicators. I actually look at the chart as it is. I use candlestick charts, but I don't have any overlays or anything. I don't use the ADX, the MACD, or whatever. If there is anything that I kind of put on and off on there, it's a 200 moving average because everybody talks about a 200 moving average, but that's really it. I don't use it for day trades. I'm primarily a day trader, so I don't use it at all. Like I said, if I were to use it, it would be when people on TV or on the Bloomberg terminal are saying that, oh, we're close to 200 MA, and that's when I look at it. But for a day-to-day basis, I look at what the candles are doing, what the price is doing, and I decipher what the direction is based on that. Of course, I have my own strategy, but the strategy is based on price, and of course, everything else is happening over on the market. But I don't ever use an indicator to kind of trigger my entry or my exit, right? So some people use, the MACD, some people use some weird combination of several EMAs and all these wonderful trend lines and everything. But yeah, I don't use those at all because, as you guys already know, indicators are always delayed. So when you're trading with indicators, you've already kind of finished. Um, you're already already a little bit late to the party. Sometimes that's great, sometimes it's not great, and it really just depends on what kind of trader you're after, right? So if that was ever, a question that was kind of, burning in your mind, I hope to have at least clarified that. Yeah, so ultimately, again, at the very least, the chance of you winning in this market is 50-50. Some people think having indicators will undoubtedly give them an edge. And I hate to break this to you, but the market is being traded by machines now that can think a million times faster than any of us. And do you really think they can't place all these indicators on the charts right away in just a split second and then make a decision as to where it's going to go? So the sad thing is, probably years down the road, we're all going to have our own computer program to really, you know, trade for us. But that's just going to be, that's going to be something later. But that's why we created the algo to kind of give us an edge and to kind of future proof us a bit for now, in anticipation of any sort of full automation in the market as a whole. Okay, so hope that makes sense to you. It's a very short one. Thank you for listening, and I'll talk to you guys next time.